Welcome to the next video of our complete engine rebuild guide. In this one we will be removing the rear brake mechanism. In today's video we will take a look at what tools we need to complete this job, a step-by-step guide on how to complete it, and in the end we will do a hardware roundup to make sure that we do not lose any of our precious hardware. To make following the content easier, you can pause this video at any moment. That said, let's take a look at what tools we need. For this job you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and needle nose pliers. With our tools ready, let's take a look at the step-by-step guide on how to get this job done. In order to remove the rear brake mechanism, we need to make sure that we have access on both sides of the engine. From underneath, pry open a cotter pin that sits between the brake lever arm and the spring. Once you have it mostly pried open, pull it out with the set of needle nose pliers. You have to do this from the other side. Once the cotter pin is out, unhook the spring and push the brake lever arm off the brake cam. With the small screwdriver, gently pry out the brake cam. You can pull it off and you can catch the brake lever arm and the spring. Before we put away the hardware, let's make sure we have everything. We are left with the brake lever cam, the brake lever arm itself, and all the hardware that comes for pinching the cable, as well as the spring. As for the cotter pin, we'll replace that later. Thank you for watching. Click here to get to the next video in this series. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you like this, you can support us on Patreon. The link is in the description down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.